Egg Dum Biryani, the easy and unique way of making the biryani. Even if you are not using chicken, biryani can be tasty enough as well. And biryani I am talking about is egg biryani. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and welcome to Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Today is the third recipe of the biryani series. Let's see the egg biryani recipe.
Add mustard oil in the pan. I am using mustard oil, you can use the sunflower oil also. Heat the oil. Add the potato pieces marinated with salt and turmeric powder. Saute them nicely. You can skip the potatoes, but I will suggest to use the potatoes. Take them out of the pan. Add the boiled eggs. Saute the eggs nicely. No need to use salt because it is already in the oil. Take them out of the pan. Add cardamom, clove and tiered bay leaf in the remaining oil. Saute them nicely. Add the onion paste. Saute well. Keep stirring to avoid the burning. Add ginger garlic paste. Cook well. Add the tomato puree. I have pasted 2 green chilies with the tomatoes. Mix well. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and salt. Mix everything well. Add the fried potatoes. Mix well with the gravy. Add required water. Add the fried eggs. Give it a good mix. Cover the pan to cook for 20 minutes. Add the garam masala in the egg gravy. Give it a good stir and the gravy is perfectly ready. Now take a pan, add ghee in it. Melt the ghee. Add bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and the black pepper. Saute them nicely in low flame. If you want to see another biryani recipes, I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check them out. Add the washed rice. Saute well. It is a one pot biryani recipe, so I have used the rice direct. Add the eggs from the egg gravy. Potatoes and gravy. Give it a good mix. 2.5 bowls of water for 1 bowl of rice. All the measurements are in the description box. Do check them out. Add more salt and mix well. Cover the pan until the rice are cooked. Open the lid and check the rice. Now the rice is perfectly cooked. For extra flavor, add kevda water and rose water. Add few drops of biryani essence. It's absolutely optional. You can skip this. Mix well. And the perfect one-pot egg biryani is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy the awesome taste.
Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below have you enjoyed the biryani series or not. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to know the upcoming recipe beforehand. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Friday with another recipe. Till then, bye.